Let's take a look at the chart action for the total crypto market cap. Alright, so here's what I've been looking at on the total crypto market cap, and I've been talking about this. We have a cup and handle pattern, something like that, or that's what I was looking at. We had the cup, and then we had a channel pattern after the cup, maybe something like this. What I was doing is targeting from the top to the bottom of this cup, and then dragging that to the breakout. Let's line this up right. Dragging that to the breakout, and I'm looking at a target of around 3 trillion, somewhere around there. What I was talking about though is we have resistance right here and resistance right here. I was saying I really want to break this trend line before we could really start targeting this target up here. And it looks like we're right above it right now. What I really want to see us do is close a daily candle above this trend line right here. And then for a confirmation, I want to see the next day be a green candle and continue to move up. The other thing I want to see us do is break this red horizontal line I have right here. That's where this previous top is right there. I think if we could break above that line right there, we'll be setting a higher high, which will be very bullish. I think the line after we break this red line right here, we're going to have to break this level right here. Let's set up another horizontal red line, something like this. Once we break these two levels here, then this target will be much more possible. The second target is around 2.57 trillion. If we go into the smaller time frame, here's what I'm looking at on the 4-hour. Alright, so we have support right here, we have support right here, we have resistance right here, resistance right here. I'm basically watching a rising channel or a rising wedge pattern, something like that. I talked about this on my last video and I was curious what it's going to do. It looks like we got support and it looks like we're bouncing to the upside. I'm kind of curious if we're going to be able to break through this right here. This is sitting at right where our red line is if we come up and hit that red line. So I'm curious if we're going to get resistance or we're going to break through. I think if we could break through, we'll have this pattern to target as well. So we could drag from the top to the bottom of the wedge, drag that to the breakout. And if we could break out right there, this will take us to around 2.78 trillion. Like I said, I think this cup and handle pattern is sitting at around 3 trillion, something like that. So we have a couple different levels to watch. Let me know what you guys think is going to happen. Check out the technical analysis t-shirts I have for sale on my web shop below. The first one I made is a falling wedge pattern. This is pretty much my favorite pattern and I thought it would look cool on a t-shirt. I'm planning on designing more technical analysis t-shirts, so be on the lookout. There are multiple colors to choose from and different styles like long sleeves and girl tees and stuff like that. When you come to the site, you can click shop all products and you can check out all the products that logo has for sale. Check out the web shop in the link below. It's pretty cool. We have a couple items now, but I'm going to be releasing more stuff in the future. Alright, if you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one.